Hi, welcome to DIY with Yolanda. Today we're going to tackle switching out the trim on this mirror so that I can then replace the mirror that's in the bathroom that I updated the vanity on. Before I do hang this mirror, I believe I want to make an accent wall behind it beforehand, but let's go ahead and tackle this mirror first and we'll go from there.
Alright, so here I am unscrewing the backing of the mirror. Then from there I took the mirror out. And I'm just using the original frame as a base to get my measurements, and I'm cutting some 1x4s now. Now I'm drilling some pocket holes so that I can then attach the 1x4s together to create the frame. I then laid the mirror on top of the frame so that I can just outline where I wanted to use my router to create a divot to place the mirror in. And here I am using the router. And once I completed that, I made sure the mirror fit, and now it's on to cutting out a piece of plywood. It's just 1/4 inch plywood I'm going to use as the backing on the mirror. For the accent piece I put on the mirror, I used these screws and these flat brackets to put in the corners of the mirror. Now I'm just getting prepared to spray paint them matte black. Here I am sanding the frame, getting it ready for stain. Now I'm cutting 1x2s to size to use as the border of the mirror. Here are the stains that I use for the frame. I use 1 coat of each, so provincial first, and then weathered oak next, and then I use 3 coats of the urethane. Before applying the urethane, I waited for the stain to dry, so the next day, and then I waited in between each coat the recommended wait time for that urethane. Alright, so now you'll see I placed the mirror in place. I use liquid nail around the edges of the mirror and this tape to go ahead and secure that in place. Now I add the 1/4 inch plywood. I'll lift it up here shortly and put liquid nail, and then use those same screws that I'm using for the accent pieces to screw this to the wood frame. So here I am now adding the 1x2 pieces to border the mirror. And next you'll see that I'm adding the accent pieces. So here I'm showing that I took off the hardware pieces that hung the mirror on the old frame, and I am now going to add them to the new frame by using this 5/8 drill piece that will create that circle that I need. So here's the before and after. I hope you guys enjoy and love the outcome. Thank you for watching.